Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to begin with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down, and as you can see in this device, the eye comfort mode or the night mode is called eye care. Of course, we can turn it on without any kind of customization just by tapping on the switcher, and here you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It is also, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So we can of course customize it. So let's tap on directly on eye care. And here we've got the options. Let's start with the intensity, so we can change the level of this feature by going to the left. We can make it much cooler, so it is almost invisible, and by going to the right we can set it on the warmest option, and of course up to you, just set it on the option which is the most comfortable for you. You can also custom schedule. You can set the schedule. Currently it is off, which means that you have to manually turn it on and off. You can, as I said, custom the schedule, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly, just like right now. And we can set it from sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's of course up to you. I prefer to have it on the manual option, and that was the whole customization. To have much faster access to it, so you won't have to go to the settings and find eye care, we have to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to find the icon for the eye care, and it is right here in my case. If you do not have it here, no worries, just tap on this add option and you will be able to find it on the list, and then tap on the plus icon, and I just removed it. All right, so let me find the eye care. It is right here, so just plus icon and it will be immediately applied. Just tap on done and tap on the eye care, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. If you want to, you can also turn it off just by using this icon again, so tap on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.